I'm excited to announce Launch 2026. This is not your business planning workshop that you've ever done before. It is going to be 3 sessions where we set ourselves up for massive success in 2026. We're going to start by falling back in love with the business, falling back in love with the reasons we got into real estate, and letting that be the driving factor for whatever else we're going to do as we go into the next year. The second session we're going to do is some reverse engineering, but before we do that, we're going to talk about what our big goals are for the next year. And when we set those big goals, they're going to drive our income goal, they're going to drive our transaction goal, and then those 2 things are going to drive our activity goals. And we're going to reverse engineer all of that as we go into the third session, which we're going to start our activities that we put in the second session. We're going to start putting them into place in the third session in December, because we want to start our business plan before the year starts, and no month sets itself up better than December for starting your business plan. These are going to be live in each office on different days. We have 6 offices. I hope that you will join us. It's going to be a great time surrounded by other agents who are desirous of building awesome businesses and kicking ass in 2026. See you there.